solutions with essential oils today that will help with a wet cough. So especially as we head into the winter months, you're going to definitely want to save this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. Okay, well, the first and foremost is your diffuser is going to be your friend. Anytime you have any respiratory concerns, you're going to absolutely love having your diffuser with doTERRA essential oils in it. I love having Breathe and On Guard in there. These are two of our most popular staples and proprietary blends from doTERRA. So Breathe helps open up the airways. That's going to help with flow. And On Guard is a natural immune enhancer. And so keeping those in your diffuser at all times are going to be your absolute best friend in the winter months. You can diffuse this in your kitchen, in your bedroom, literally all the time. And so those are staples that are going to help with any of that respiratory discomfort. If you're ready to hop in with doTERRA essential oils, go to roxysaran.com. I would be honored to help you. Grab your Breathe and On Guard right there at roxysaran.com. Okay, the next thing that you're definitely going to want on hand is the On Guard Plus soft gel. So On Guard Plus black pepper, melissa, and oregano. This is a powerhouse combination. It comes in a little soft gel. I give this to my kids preventatively as well, but especially when you're dealing with any type of cough like this, you can take up to one at a time, and up to 5 total a day for adults and 2 or 3 for children, depending on their size, if they're able to safely take a capsule. If they can't take a capsule, you can break it open and put it, massage it into their spine and on their feet. But the On Guard Plus soft gels are an absolute game changer. The next thing that you can do to help bolster your natural immune system is going to be the PB Assist for adults and PB Assist Junior for kiddos. So helping with your gut health really helps enhance your immune system and help to get over this a lot faster. And so you're going to want to grab the PB Assist and PB Assist Junior. You're going to love that. Okay, so for a chest massage, this is a really easy DIY that you can do. 10 drops of eucalyptus, 5 drops of peppermint, 5 drops of lime, and 5 drops of thyme. Say that a few times really fast, right? Okay, 10 drops eucalyptus, 5 drops of peppermint, 5 drops of lime, and 5 drops of thyme. You'll put that in a 1 ounce spray bottle. The rest of it you can fill with coconut oil. You'll spray this onto the chest. You can massage it into the throat area, around the ears, and you can even use it as often as every 2 to 3 hours. That is a great combination. It's going to help open up the airways and it's an expectorant to help get rid of whatever's going on in there. Okay, if you're like, okay, I don't have time for a DIY and I'm a mom and I'm busy and I want the easy button, that's okay, I got you. So the next thing you can do is the Breathe Vapor Stick. It's Breathe proprietary blend from doTERRA in a vapor stick. So it's already safe, it's already diluted, and it's this little stick that you can just rub onto the chest or on the feet, kind of like, I guess in the older days, if you think about mom's home remedies, would be something like a Vicks Vapor Rub or something like that. So that's what you can do. The Breathe Vapor Stick on the chest and on the socks, on the feet, and then put their socks on. You're gonna love that. So that's a really good hack if you're busy and don't have time for the DIY. Okay, if you're ready to hop in with doTERRA essential oils, I would love to help you right at roxysaran.com. Okay, now this is my all-time favorite. If you're able to take a capsule, so adults, 2 drops of thyme and 2 drops of lime in a capsule. So thyme and lime, you're gonna remember that really easily. 2 drops of those in a capsule 3 times a day. It's going to help break that up and hawk it out. As many days as it takes you to feel better, that's how many days you do it. So let's say it takes you 2 days to feel better, then you do it for 2 more days. That way you finish out the days. Make sure you don't stop. As soon as you feel better, don't stop. Keep doing it. So as many days, that's the kind of rule of thumb. As many days as it took you to feel better, that's how many more days you need to do. So that's an example. Okay, so what if you can't take a capsule or really don't feel comfortable taking essential oils internally? That's okay. We have another option for you. So again, thyme and lime, but this time we're going to do it diluted on the spine. So it kind of rhymes, so it's really easy to remember. Anytime you have a hacking cough, you're going to love this. Thyme and lime diluted on the spine. Okay, so a little bit of thyme, 1 or 2 drops of thyme and lime with a little bit of coconut oil, and massage that into the spine. It's great on the bottoms of the feet as well. It's going to help, again, works wonders for breaking up phlegm, and it makes you hawk it out. I know it's super gross, but it works, so don't knock it until you try it. Okay, another hack for you into the winter months for that wet cough that comes up. to lick a drop of Digestin. So you put a drop of Digestin. This is a blend from doTERRA as well, and it's normally attributed with its properties for digestive concerns. But I love utilizing this for sinus stuff and for cough, wet cough. So a drop of Digestin on your hand and lick it. You can even put a little bit on the bridge of your nose if you're dealing with, again, that sensation of it's stuck in your nasal cavity and also your throat, and it's just kind of going back and forth, but you're struggling to get it out. A little bit of Digestin on the bridge of your nose is going to help open all of that up. Okay, so just be sure not to put it too close to the eyes and not too much. And as always, if you need it, you can always use a carrier oil like a coconut oil or olive oil or grapeseed oil over the area, and that will help to slow down that absorption. Okay, another tip for you is honey. Make sure you're getting local honey from your local farmer. Make sure it's not pasteurized, not been treated or anything like that. You can put your 1 drop of thyme and 1 drop of lime and even your 1 drop of Digestin in your little teaspoon of honey and take that internally. That's going to soothe your throat and help hawk all of that out. All right, let me know in the comments, what was your favorite hack today about wet cough? I hope that you're having a great and healthy day. I hope to see you in the next video. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. The next video, I'll give you a really easy DIY bathroom spray. Have a great day.